just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So here's another concept. These are some little trinket bowls that I got from Dollar General last year. Remember I told you I found a few penny items? Well, these 4 little bowls were pennies, and they're heart-shaped dishes. So I paired them with the 90% off items I got last year as well. All of these items are from my stash, and the 90% items were those little wallets. I put the lip gloss in here, the little balm sets that I got at Walmart, and I put some candy in here as well. These are more cute little concepts for the kids, and I think they turned out lovely. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.